Welcome! Panda-Frog here, and I got some unpacking to do. I received this nice little package, and I believe it is a very nice wrapped pick, and it is a LPU pick. Very perfectly wrapped here. So let's see what we got in here. So this will be, I guess, a little shorter video today. And we got here the Lockpicking United 2021, and it's got the 79. You can see that, hopefully, maybe. Yeah, I got the 79. So, well, let's see if we can. I got a mess on my table right now. Sorry, guys, but do I have anything? It's rather thick. The profile is rather thick. You can see that. Let me. Maybe zoom in a little. Ah, damn it. My extra light is probably. Yeah, my extra lights are going out. Damn it. So, let's see where's that. Oops. Alright, so let's. You can see the sparrow, and it's an LPU pick. Profile. It's a little bigger. Do I have something Patterson related here? Yeah, there's a Patterson pick. No, it's not. It's some cheap one. No, it's Patterson. Yeah, it is. So it's more like a Patterson pick than a sparrow from Cygnus on the profile. Okay, so you can see the 79. It does feel good. Let me find some tension. And get this one in a vise to make it easier. Oh, where are my rubber grips here? I need some. Kind of took them off for something else to do. So yeah, they only made 100 of these, and I got number 79, which is pretty cool. I wanted like number 8 or 18 or something. So 88 would be also good for me, because 8 of 8 would be the birthday of my son, as most of you know. So we got the step ballot. What is it, 50, I believe, A50. Let's see if we can get this one picked really quickly. I haven't picked this one in a while. Not so good for EU looks, I think. It's a little heavy. Little. So we got some set pin there. Well, it does work. It is a nice pick. but it will more be for my wall. So I got my little trophies over here and stuff, and I will put that pic there. It is a nice pic, I like it. Thank you so much. I think Rainer sent it to me from, let me release, yeah. And thank you so much for forwarding it to me from APU. That's it. Little quick video about this new pic I got from Lockpicking United, number 79 of 100. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.